This is what it means to go full send. Yeah! Just like that! Do it right in front of that undercover red truck. One more time. Yes! Then you come out of... Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Uh-oh. Huh. Blew a spark plug out. Okay. Huh. This is not good. Looks like it's stripped out. Coachman! Help! SOS! SOS! Banshee down! Quad down! Hey buddy, would you mind telling that guy in the red truck that the Banshee blew a plug out?
Banshee blew a plug out. There's a guy sitting in the red truck down there?
Yeah, that's my brother. He was down here just in case it broke down or something.
Alright.
I appreciate you, buddy.
Yeah.
Awesome. That's an American Patriot right there. That's an American Patriot right there. Just asked this dude for some help. He did not hesitate. Oh, this is not good. Let's see what's happening. Let's see if I can grab that plug. It's probably too hot up in here. Where's it at? That's going to be too hot to touch that cylinder. Oh, it's way down there. I got it. It doesn't look like it has shavings on it. It doesn't make any sense. What the hell? Surely it couldn't have rattled out.